Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel. So this week I'm going to start with the grocery haul and then do the meal plan. For the grocery haul this week, I planned on doing Aldi this week, but I found quite a few BOGOs at Publix, and then there were so many that I really didn't have too much that I would have needed to get at Aldi, so I decided to just get everything at Publix. So the total that I spent on this little haul this week was $122. That's because I got some salmon and also some sandwich meat. Alright, so I'll start down here with the 0 Point fruits and vegetables. I just got some bananas, some blackberries, a cantaloupe, some carrots, shallots, and also corn, which on green it scans out to 2 points for half a cup. And that's it for 0 points, except for I got some of this Japanese blend. I wanted to get the like a stir-fry blend, but they didn't have it, so this was kind of the closest I could get to. And for green, this is 1 point per serving, which a serving on that is 3/4 of a cup. And then I got these Alexia oven reds. These are 3 points for 84 grams, which is about 8 pieces. They're pretty much equal in size, so you'd be safe counting out the 8 pieces if you didn't have a scale on these. And I did check, and these do not scan 0 on purple. They still scanned 3 points, so I'm not sure. Probably because they've got stuff in it like the olive. Yeah, it's got with olive oil, Parmesan, and roasted garlic, so that's why. Usually I like to make my own oven reds. Basically I just cut up a potato and put it in a bag with a little bit of olive oil and some herbs, but these are nice just to have if you need them for something quick, and since they were BOGO, I got them. And then I got some of the rice that we've been enjoying. That's the garden vegetable ready rice that you can have half a cup for 3 points. I needed some Lakanto brown sugar. They didn't have Lakanto, but they did have the Swerve, so I do use the Swerve or Lakanto. It doesn't matter to me which one, and that's 0. I got some Idahoan mashed potatoes. This is the roasted garlic and Parmesan baby reds. I like to just have these in my pantry just for something quick, and these are 4 points for half a cup. And also those did scan on purple at 4 points as well. I got some of the reduced fat sharp cheddar. It's 3 points for 1/4 of a cup, but you can drop it down. So 1/4 of a cup is 28 grams, but if you drop it down to 25 grams, then it's only 2 points. So definitely take out 3 grams and save you a point on that. And then I got some eggs. These are 0 on blue and purple, 2 points on green. And then I got some Publix oven roasted turkey breast. This was on sale this week. This is 0 points on blue and purple, and it's also 0 points for green for 2 ounces of this one. I think the one I had last time was the boar's head, and that kind you could have, I think, 1 3/4 ounces for 0. This kind, the Publix brand, you can actually have 2 ounces for 0 points, and then I think you can have up to 6 ounces for 1 point. And I've actually been really enjoying this at nighttime for, like, I just take a piece of it and roll it up with a piece of cheese, and that's kind of been my nighttime snack. But usually we have sandwiches on the weekend. That's usually when we use that. I got some 100% whole grain pasta. These were BOGO. This is the kind that's 0 points on purple, and it's 6 points on blue and green for the regular 2 ounce portion. But if you look on the back for 2 ounces, or on the side, or wherever it is, for 2 ounces, that is 56 grams dry. If you just do 53 grams dry, which is probably going to be like 1 noodle, then it's just going to be 5 points. So save you a point by taking out 3 grams of that one as well. And then I stocked up on our sugar-free pudding. This has been hard to come by lately. We've been having a hard time finding this. And then I got some Suddenly salad. I just like to have these. Sometimes we have these on the weekend with some chicken. These are 5 points per serving, and that's as packaged. So it depends on how much mayonnaise or what type of mayonnaise that you add to it. So that will increase your points. So you'll have to just, what I usually do is just track this for 5 points, and then I add in like 2 tablespoons of light mayonnaise or whatever I make with it. And they had ketchup on BOGO, so I got that. That's 1 point for 1 tablespoon. And these cod loins, which we really like these cod loins. I think these were just on sale. They weren't BOGO. These are 0 on blue and purple, and 1 point for a serving on green, which they're already pre-packaged, so that's why it says a serving. And then I got some salmon. This is 0 on blue and purple, and 4 points for 6 ounces on green. And then I got some English muffins. I was wanting the high fiber kind, but they didn't have them, so I got one of the 100-calorie light multigrain. These ones are 3, and then I got one of the originals, and those are 4 points each. And then I got some foil baking cups. I know I just got these, I don't know, a few weeks back, but I couldn't remember how much I got. I like to put like the berries in these when we have breakfast. And then I got some of the Nature's Own sugar-free Life bread. That's 1 point for 1 slice. I got some honey that I need for a recipe this week. 4 points for 1 tablespoon. Some taco sauce, that is 0 points. Some Frank's Red Hot Original and Frank's Red Hot Wings, those are 0. And I think that's it. Yes, that is it for my little Publix haul. And again, I spent $122. So now let me show you what I'm planning on making this week. All right, so here's my meal plan for the week, and if you are new to my channel, I meal prep for my husband and I, usually Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. In the beginning of the week, we have the same thing for breakfast and lunch for those 3 days. It's just what works for us, but you certainly don't need to do it that way. It's just the way that we do it. So you can just kind of use this as a guide. And because I will always get asked, I'm gonna go ahead and start first and let you know that you can find these meal plan sheets on my website, planningushealthy.com. I'll actually put a link down below. They're on their recipes and free printables page. So I'll put a link down below to the page. But you just go to the bottom of the page and there's several different ones. There's actually one that's just like this, but it starts on Sunday. These are free, there's no cost. You just can download them yourself, print them out, and that's it. So like I said, I'll put the link down below. So breakfast prep this week. I thought about doing some kind of French toast this week, but then somebody shared to me that the Pound Dropper just posted, they forwarded me something that she had posted for French toast muffins. So I'm going to be doing Pound Dropper's French toast muffins this week. Those, according to her, are 3 points, and I believe it was 3 points for all programs. I think it was 1 point for 1 muffin or 3 points for 2 muffins, which I would be having 2 muffins, so I'm going to go with the 3 points. And I'm going to do those Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then every day I have my coffee. I have 2 cups of coffee, Dunkin' Donuts. I use Dunkin' Donuts, and I use the generic version of Splenda, and also the Coffee Mate sugar-free French vanilla creamer. Then Thursday for breakfast, I'm going to do, well, actually Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday for breakfast, I will be teleworking on Thursday and Friday, so I'll be home. So I'll just throw together a bacon, egg, and cheese muffin that I just do in the microwave. Those are super easy, and we really like those. And those are 5 points, and actually I forgot to write down purple and green. I'm pretty sure they're 5 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green, because on green you would need to add for the egg. So that's breakfast. For lunch this week, I'm going to do teriyaki chicken casserole. This was a recipe that I found, what is this website? Lifeinthelofthouse.com. I was actually looking for a chicken teriyaki recipe that I had done before, and I don't know, I can't find it. So that's the one I came across. So I thought that was pretty good. So I kind of tweaked a couple things in it, and I came up with 5 points on blue, 7 points on green, and 1 point on purple. So if you're on purple, you're gonna love me again this week. So that's gonna be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's what I actually needed the stir-fry vegetables for that I couldn't find. So I'm gonna use the vegetables that I bought in that. Thursday, I'm just gonna do a basic tuna sandwich. That's gonna be about 4 points. And I'm just gonna do some side cucumbers with that. Friday, I think we're gonna split a Publix sub. I'm gonna estimate that to be about 12 points. And then for dinners this week, I'm pretty sure we're on garlic Parmesan salmon. So if you've been following me, you know that I always have salmon on Monday nights. It is the one night that is pretty much the same every single week, but I rotate probably 4 different salmons. So I think we're up to garlic Parmesan salmon this week. That is 2 points on blue and purple, and I put 7 to 10 on green because it just depends on whether you're using farmed or wild caught, and also how much you have of it. And then I'm just gonna do the ready rice with that for 3 points. And you know what, we're having rice for lunch. There's gonna be rice in the lunch, so I may end up changing that, I'm not sure. And then broccoli and cauliflower. Sometimes what I do with salmon is I just load up on the veggies because it's so filling. For the salmon, it has a lot of protein and healthy fats in it, so it does keep you full a little bit better than other meats. So I may not do rice in it that night. I may just double up on the vegetables. And then Tuesday night, I'm going to do CROCKPOT balsamic pork loin roast. So we recently bought a great big pork loin roast, and I separated it into pork chops and also a roast. So that is going to be, that's actually a skinny taste recipe. So that's going to be 5 points on all programs. And then I'm probably going to pair that with mashed potatoes, and I'll probably just use those instant mashed potatoes that I bought. So that'll be 4 points. And then corn will be 0. If you're on green, it'll be 2 for the corn. And I will link all these recipes down in the description box below too. And then Wednesday night, we're just going to have leftovers. That's going to be quite a big pork loin roast that I'm going to be cooking, so we'll just have the leftovers, and that will be 9 points. That's basically what the full dinner was, 5 for the pork and 4 for the potatoes. And Thursday night, I think we're going to do tacos, and I'm going to do it with ground chicken breast. I have a thing of ground chicken breast in my freezer that I bought, I think, in last week's haul, so I'm going to probably use that. And I'm going to estimate that to be about 8 points. It just depends on what I end up putting on it that night. And then Friday, since we're having a higher point lunch than normal, I'm going to do mushroom cap pizzas for dinner, and those are 2 points on all programs. And then on the weekends, I don't usually plan ahead because we just don't know for sure what we're going to be doing. I will say though that you'll see right there tomorrow, it's actually Friday night right now. Tomorrow I'm going to be making birthday cake overnight oats. So my friend Michelle just made those, and they just, my mouth was watering when I saw her picture on Instagram. So I'm going to make those for, I'll probably do a couple of them, and we'll have them both for Saturday and Sunday. I'll make those tonight. So, and then I'm not really sure what we're going to be doing the rest of the week. And I'm going to have my grandson tomorrow. That's why I'm filming this now, and then I'll put it up on Sunday, because tomorrow when he's here, I won't be doing any working. And for snacks this week, I'm going to be doing fruit for 0, pudding or sugar-free puddings for 2. I'll do some turkey and cheese roll-ups like I showed you. Those are 1 point. And then sometimes we do have popcorn at night, and that is 3 points. And I had somebody ask me last week how I make my popcorn, and I actually have a video out there showing what I use. I just do it in the microwave, but I have a glass, I don't know what it is. It's a glass popcorn maker that goes into the microwave, and I just cook it that way. If I remember, I'll link that video down below showing how I do my popcorn. So as always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm planning us healthy.